The sounds of creation. Solutions imparted by your own two hands. These hands have known the rhythm of tinkering for as long as you can remember. A muscle memory of mending, it is innate to your very being. Or maybe your gift has always been there, but it's just recently surfaced. The way your mind wills your hands to execute is not by happenstance. It is a purpose that won't stop drawing you in, calling you to merge your ability and passion into a future. What if you could bypass a traditional route and collide directly with this future? What if you could resist convention and learn from hands-on people who honor how your mind works? What if you live with the fulfillment of using your gifts and thrive autonomously as your own boss? Now is the time to answer the what-if questions and put those gifted hands to action. Now is the time to unite the rhythm of your hands and be the master of your mind in the trade of plumbing. Let your hands lead the way. Lean into a career that honors who you've always been.